Lovelies, no capital, no products, no problem. Don't care, don't mind. You can still sell daily and get paid using just your WhatsApp status. Dropshipping is at least a $600 plus billion market in 2025, and many African youth, queens and kings are doing it silently with WhatsApp status. I'm going to be taking you into how we can use WhatsApp, using it as a dropshipping platform, that is whereby we can sell without owning any stock. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine. Please, this is a mind-blowing video whereby any average person can use it, provided you are holding a smartphone and you're using WhatsApp. Please, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial controller. I'm not trained to come and give you all these financial secrets. What I'm here to give you is something that I've used that you can also use. My friends have used it, and some people out there that have not talked have used it. To my subscribers, I love you so much. People of Immaculate Show, you are so awesome. I hail you. And to any person that engages our video, thank you very much. This is a right place. What you do, you know that as ordinary as you are, you can make money. You can make money online and make money at the comfort of your home. Without wasting your time, let's dive in and see how exactly can we do WhatsApp dropshipping. How do we do it? Find one. That is we have different steps, but I'm going to take you into different step by step. I want you to find a local supplier. And when I'm talking about a local supplier, you know, with the dropshipping, you don't own any stock, but you find you do sell and you do get money. So when you find a local supplier, who are they? Like hair, like shoes, gadgets, food. Here you can find reliable vendors, and you go there and ask their photos. After asking their photos, you ask them their delivery options in terms of money, like in how their payments is, and even how they are going to be delivering these products. Then step number 2, you post daily on your status. Most of you are doing it. It's not your business, it's not your company, it's not your product, but you post it. You're doing it indirectly. So the moment you post it daily, and you can post some offers, you put some great captions like the one I was telling you in our previous videos about this. Like, for example, you can say new arrivals on hair bundles from this amount to this amount, DM fast. You can also put, like, if it's food, fresh chapatis daily, it can be made immediately on your orders. Immediately, maybe in 5 minutes, people are going to do what? To send you DMs. For example, if you order for this egusi or for chapati, you will be getting your orders within 1 hour, but you need to be ordering at around like maybe 2 p.m. This one, it works very well as far as WhatsApp dropshipping is concerned, but I want to give you a pro tip. Add agency, and you need also to add city and area. Today's deals in Kampala, today's deals in Sharjah, today's deals in something like that. This one makes you feel it brings ownership within it and within you. Then the third step, let supplier handle delivery. Don't handle any delivery, because I know what it means. It's tiresome, and it involves a lot of charges. You just forward orders and deliver addresses to the supplier. Keep your profit margin, and also let them also keep them. Like, for example, if I'm talking about this perfume I have a supplier, by the way, and if you want it also, you can DM me. So this perfume, like, for example, I sell it at $20, but from a supplier I get it at $15. I'm going to put it here like the way you can see it. When you want it, you'll send me money, and you send me the address and everything. I'll forward it to my supplier and give them the address and everything and location. Then I pay them their $15. I remain with my $5 as my profit. I've not done anything apart from putting it on a status and also linking them with the person that wants to buy, that is the buyer. So if you reach here, I want you to do one thing on step number 4. Offer royalty bonuses. How do you do it? Like buy three items this month and get free next order. Imagine someone, you are not sure even that someone will need the next order, but we always do this. So the moment you do this, especially like you'll get repeat royalty customers. We can call them repeat customers, and repeat customers, they build royalty family. And the moment you have a royal family, consistent brings money. Then step number 5, you use WhatsApp business tools. What are these WhatsApp business tools? Now this one is to ease your work, like for example auto replies, product catalogs, order tracking. All these ones you can use WhatsApp business tools. This one, it will help you to build trust, and even it will show professionalism in what you are doing. Remember, you're not owning any stock. You're not doing anything apart from receiving the amount of money or adding the amount of money and advertising on your status. Now, before I finish, because I said this video is going to be short, I want to give you a bonus point. Partner with 2 to 3 vendors. Don't deal with one. Why? Because 2 to 3 vendors have different prices, offers, and have different items. So today you can be putting an offer on beauty products. Next day you're putting a beauty on innerwears. Next day maybe you put an offer on something else. You find at least every day you have something different. And this one brings newness on your status, and even it also builds royalty. Imagine today you have accessories, like tech accessories, phone accessories. The next day you have other thing. This one is very good. So guys, if you're there and you're holding a smartphone, you're calling somebody on WhatsApp. Now the WhatsApp I use it for calls, WhatsApp I use it for messaging. Please, I want you to put number 1, making money with it, and drop shipping is one of the things that you can do with it. Thank you very much. If you know you have gained from this video, if you know you have been doing it, write it in the comment section. And if you know you can do it also and you want more guidance on it, you can also write in the comment section. But if you've reached on this video, you haven't really liked this video, you haven't commented, you haven't shared, please, why are you not doing it? Thank you very much. Let me see you in another video. Let's make money together.